for this group of children, children and adults. Persons who have no vision, absolute blindness, and persons who have low vision, and persons who are having vision problem, and then any other additional disabilities. So what we do, we begin our services with the counseling. We explain them the visual prognosis and address the issue, and training in independent daily living skills, social rehabilitation, economic rehabilitation, and supportive services. So I would like to take little more extra time to explain you in details about these two specific projects that we are launching today. The first project is the early intervention and education for children with vision loss and additional disabilities. This project is going to be the unique project in the sense like there's no such project existing in the state. So far in the country we have only 3 programs including us, and then there's no organization that is providing these services for children who are multi-handicapped. Hyderabad is fortunate enough to have the major institutions like National Institute for the Mentally Handicapped, Hearing Handicapped, and then other major organizations. Everybody is focusing, and the component of services will include the counseling, individual assessment, and remedial therapy, including the physical therapy, speech therapy, motor therapy, cognitive stimulation therapy, play therapy, and then the behavioral modification and training to carry out their day-to-day activities. It could be a simple brushing skill or eating skill. So whichever they lack behind, we can train on them, and then provide support services to the family. And the ultimate goal of this project is over a period of time to integrate these children into the regular mainstream. And in this project, we have included multidisciplinary members with us who are going to work with us. We have the pediatric ophthalmologists, optometrists, rehabilitation counselors, special educators to look after the special educational aspect, physiotherapists, speech therapists, and other therapists to look on individual skills, and multi-skilled worker who can step up our program. So without their knowledge, without their interest, without their preference, this program cannot be successful. Whatever remedy, whatever therapy we are going to give, that is going to be for 3 hours or 4 hours maximum in a day. But we would like to insist the responsibility upon the family so that the child get the holistic training, holistic benefits, ongoing benefits with the support of family members and the caregivers who are involved with the child. And overall, through this project, we are focusing to enhance the child's independent skills development and to provide appropriate support to the family members. So by doing this, like we are planning, we hope that we can maximize the child's and family's benefit to the society as well. And through this project, we are anticipating to provide services approximately 750 children per year and 63 children per month. And the second program, Computer Assistive Technology Training for the Visually Impaired. As you all are aware, this computer literacy is very important for any speech software that is best suited for the blind person who have severe visual impairment, who otherwise can't see the monitor. This job software gives the speech access, so by hearing that the children and adults can learn various key commands and get familiar with the computer. And the other software, Magic, is speech synthesizer and the screen magnifying software that enhances the magnification of the monitor, the font size in the monitor up to 16 times. You can enhance the magnification, and it automatically allows you to work on any program, including the internet or PowerPoint or in whichever program you are working on. So that will be the boon for the students who are having low vision. So from our previous experience, what we understood is like this IT training alone is not helpful. Though the students are familiar in using these key commands, they are well versed in using the software. When we look into the employment aspect, like these students are not well placed in corporate.